Hey there, Heather Boyd Wire here.
So today's project was inspired by Julie in the Wire Makers Club. She won in the draw of the 10-day wire gift making challenge some custom templates. So I decided it would be fun to do her name with little kitty cat letters. So for the cats, I did the whole alphabet with the different positions of the cats. I did another version with the whiskers. And today I'm simply going to make the letter J out of wire. What you're going to need for this project are some tools. You're going to need a round form. I used 8mm beads for the cat heads, and today I'm going to use the tarnish resistant brass in 20 gauge. This is the artistic wire. So to get started, I have about a 12-inch piece of wire. I'm going to put my bead right on there and just leave a little bit at the top and work my way around the top of the bead. And then what we want to do is start forming the ears. So we're just going to take our round pliers, hold it to one side of the middle wire, and bend it in a triangle shape. Don't worry too much if that's a little loose. We're going to secure it in a minute. So we're going to bring that around to form the first ear like that. And, do it whatever size you want. It could be big or small. And then hold it against the bead and continue your circle. I do have another design for earrings that are kind of similar, this type of head. I can link those up below as well. But we're just going to experiment and do one letter today. So we're going to just continue like this, bring it in a little bit if you have to, and form the triangle. So just bring it down. These ears might be a little bit big, but that's okay. It makes it cute. So we're going to just form our other triangle there. And then what we want to do is just bring it around. Just bring it right around. Put your pliers down if you have to. And we want this to come over to the left there. So this is the starting point. I'll compare it to what I've already done here. And we're just going to bring it over there, tighten it up. If you have to, just bring it in a little bit more. And then this is going to be sort of the top part of the J. Keep in mind these are very stylized, so I'm going to use my larger pliers just to form sort of the paw going to the left. And then we want to bring this down to kind of do the body. So this is just sort of right underneath the bead there. Bring it down, and you can give him a bit of a belly if you want, or you can go straight flat down. And then we want to form a little bit of his leg, so bring that down and just curve it a little bit there. And then you can always get your smaller round pliers if you want to make a tighter bend. And we're just going to bring that up on an angle and then form the bottom foot here. So just take this back with the larger pliers, just it's up on an angle there, bring that down here, and then you can kind of form like a more curved line there. So I'll show you with this one where we're going with that. And then you want to bend it back for the tail, just a little bit to the right of that bend there. Hold the wire with the pliers and bend it back, give that a little bit of a pinch, and then we're going to hold it with the pliers and bring that around. We're just making a curve. So we've got our little curve there. Now we want to curve it up to look like a J. So this is where we get it more looking like the letter. So just bring it up a little bit. Don't worry about it looking too realistic as a cat. We really want to be able to try to see that it's a J. So we've got that one going up here, and then bend it about where you think the J should end. Just take your pliers, bend it back here like that, and then get your round form that you need to form it around here. It just makes it a smoother curve if you use a round form. So here we go with that. Bring it right down, and then once it looks how you like, you can tighten up that curve if you want. If you think it needs to be a little tighter, just stick your pliers in there and make it a little bit more curved up. That's fine. And then from here, you can make it a little bit of a bend, or you can just keep it super soft and just do it with your fingers, and then bend it up a little bit too. So that has a nice kind of organic curve to it. We're just going to bring it to against that bead here, hold it in place, and just continue the curve around behind the bead. See, I'm just curving it around the bead, and then I'm going to twist it, give it a twist, holding it nice and tight in place. Going to twist it around there, and then we want to clip that. So let's get our cutters, and we're going to clip that so it's flush right in there, and then we will close it up. And then for this end, you have a couple of options. You can actually make a loop to hang this as a pendant, turn that into a little loop, or if you want to finish it just really clean, just take it and bend it back around just to hide that end, and just curve it around so it's flush in there, and then you clip it. And you can always dangle, if you want it as a pendant without the extra loop, you can always dangle it, a jump ring in the ear, and then if you need to, just push that in so it's flush, and there you have your super cute little J for Julie. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making videos. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I go live and when I post new videos. And if you'd like to share photos of your wire art and wire jewelry, be sure to join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook. I'll link it up below. And if you'd like to check out my work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in custom wire wedding cake toppers and funky jewelry. I also have a mailing list, so if you want to sign up below, I'll send you my free Wire Art Essentials ebook. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.